In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom workflow in Miro. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer and go to Miro.com. Once the website loads, sign in if needed, and open the workspace where you want to build your workflow. Miro is a visual collaboration tool, so it's especially useful when you want to organize ideas clearly and turn them into a process that's easy to follow. After you're inside Miro, select the board where you want to create your custom workflow. This is important because the board will act as your main canvas, and everything you build will live there. If you already have a board prepared, simply open it. If not, choose a blank board or any existing board that fits your project. The goal here is to give yourself a clean space where your workflow can be arranged in a structured and readable way. Next, move to the tool panel and choose the sticky note and text tools. These two tools are the foundation of a simple, effective custom workflow. Sticky notes are great for representing tasks, ideas, stages, or action points. You can use them to quickly map out each part of the process. The text tool is useful for headings, labels, section names, or any extra explanation you want to add to make the board easier to understand. As you place these elements on the board, try to keep your layout neat and consistent so the workflow is easy to scan at a glance. Once your notes and text are in place, create a frame and use it to organize and decorate your visual content. Frames help group related information together, which makes the workflow feel more intentional and much easier to present or share with others. You can use a frame to separate one process from another, highlight a specific stage, or simply give your board a cleaner structure. This is also where the visual presentation starts to come together. By arranging your notes, text, and frame carefully, you can make the workflow look polished while still keeping it functional. As you build, focus on clarity over complexity. A good custom workflow should be visually simple, easy to navigate, and understandable for anyone viewing the board. With just a board, sticky notes, text, and a frame, you can create a workflow that communicates your ideas in a clean and professional way. That's it for this process. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a custom workflow in Miro that looks organized, clear, and ready to use.